Hey there! Visual Studio Code offers powerful features to enhance your coding experience, and one of them is the ability to select all occurrences of a selected word. Whether you're refactoring code or making quick edits, this feature can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to use this functionality, complete with shortcuts and tips to boost your productivity. Stay tuned and let's dive right in. To select all occurrences of a selected word in Visual Studio Code, follow these steps. Double-click on the word to select the current word under the cursor. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus L to select all occurrences of that word in the file. You can now edit or delete all instances of the word simultaneously. That's it. Selecting all occurrences of a word in Visual Studio Code is simple and can save you tons of time when editing or refactoring. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coding tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.